Is it the right time to buy or sell Exxon stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Exxon. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 16, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. On January 16, 2024, our system identified Exxon as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.56. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. We'll closely monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the upcoming days. The stock is currently experiencing a downward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further decrease in value. Based on the past 3 months, there is a projected -9.10% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. The potential return during this period ranges between -12.18% and -5.20%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is an expected -6.86% change in the stock's value over the next year. The potential return in this timeframe ranges from -11.68% to 12.11%. Therefore, the stock's price could range between $86.28 and $109.52 after a year. Our latest update on Exxon brings an important headline: Exxon stock downgraded to sell candidate. Yesterday, on Tuesday, January 16, 2024, the Exxon stock price experienced a decrease of 2.26%. It went from $99.95 to $97.69. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.53%, starting at a low of $97.53 and reaching a high of $100. Looking at the recent trend, the stock has fallen in 6 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of 2.29% for this period. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased alongside the stock, which is usually considered a positive sign. On the last day, the trading volume dropped by 1 million shares. In total, approximately $1.64 billion worth of Exxon shares were bought and sold, with a total of 17 million shares exchanged. If we zoom out a bit and look at the past 52 weeks, we can see that the highest recorded stock price was $126.54, while the lowest was $97.49. Currently, the stock price is 22.8% below its 52-week high, which translates to a difference of $28.85. This 52-week high also represents the all-time high for Exxon stock. Welcome back to our series on analyst ratings. Today, we will be discussing the recent ratings for Exxon Mobil Corporation, XOM. Let's dive right in. On Tuesday, January 9, 2024, Morgan Stanley upgraded their rating for Exxon Mobil to buy. Moving on to Friday, November 10, 2023, Piper Sandler gave Exxon Mobil an overweight rating while maintaining a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Bernstein upgraded Exxon Mobil to outperform with a hold action. Let's go back to Friday, October 27, 2023. CFRA upgraded their rating for Exxon Mobil to buy. Additionally, on the same day, Bernstein initiated coverage on Exxon Mobil with an outperform rating. These are the most recent analyst ratings for Exxon Mobil Corporation. Stay tuned for more updates in our next video. Analysts have given Exxon stock a strong buy rating overall. They have rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. Today, let's take a look at the signals for Exxon stock. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. Both short-term and long-term moving averages indicate a negative forecast for the stock, suggesting a sell. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. It's worth noting that on corrections up, the stock may encounter resistance at $99.75 and $101.12. However, if the stock manages to break above these levels, it would issue buy signals. On Wednesday, January 3, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, leading to a decline of -5.36% thus far. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently signaling a sell. During the last trading day, both the price and volume fell, reducing the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator suggests a sell signal. The pivots indicator shows a sell signal 9 days ago. The Bollinger indicator indicates a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggests a sell signal 7 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicates a sell signal 7 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average shows a buy signal 51 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also indicates a buy signal 51 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Exxon. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for Exxon. Let's start with support. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock may perform poorly in the next couple of days. Moving on to risk. In general, Exxon tends to have very controlled movements. With good liquidity, the risk is considered to be very low in this stock. Now, let's talk about the stock's volatility. Yesterday, the stock moved $2.47 between its high and low, which accounts for a 2.53% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.75%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Exxon, let's start with some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio might indicate a low expectation for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, which could present a potential buying opportunity. Now, in other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on January 30, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $2.21. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Exxon. If the stock is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level for Exxon is at $98.42. If you're considering entering a position, it may be wise to wait for the stock to breach this level. For those who already own the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. It's important to note that there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. If you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations, proceed with caution and consider placing bets accordingly. According to multiple analyst sources, Exxon has received a strong buy rating. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On January 2, 2024, Powell Dina H. bought 8,000 shares of common stock. On January 1, 2024, Powell Dina H. purchased 0 shares of common stock. On January 2, 2024, Ubben Jeffrey W. sold 2,500 shares of common stock, without par value. On January 2, 2024, Kellner Lawrence W. bought 2,500 shares of common stock. On January 2, 2024, Karsner Alexander purchased 2,500 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power stands at a positive ratio of 3.454. Overall, insiders have bought 3,089,210 shares and sold 2,281,382 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock, and it's important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Exxon stock a good buy? Exxon currently shows several negative signals and is experiencing a downward trend. As a result, we anticipate weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks and hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Our analysis has been downgraded from a hold/accumulate to a sell candidate due to minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price of Exxon stock is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, January 17th, we anticipate Exxon to open at $98.41, with an increase of $0.715. Before we dive into today's topic, let's address an important reminder. When it comes to trading, there is always a risk of losing money. It's crucial to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Remember, StockInvest.us is here to provide information, but ultimately, the responsibility lies with you for your investment choices. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Drop a comment below and share your valuable insights. We're interested to know what your target for this stock is. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We're here to help you succeed in your trading journey. Wishing you a successful trading day and a beautiful day ahead from all of us here at Stock Invest.